In our school's third grade teams all block, you would see a teacher with a small group. You would see students around my room doing either self-directed learning. You might see them working collaboratively in small groups. In my teacher-led group, you would see usually about 6 to 8 children, and we might be working on grammar skills, fluency skills. We do a lot of complex text and how to respond to that using, like in writing. A big push this year is having them respond using evidence from the text. There are days where I will model something and then I'll have them turn and work with a partner within my small group. And then there are times where I have them do something on their own while I'm sitting there, and then we check the work together. The group that I have thrives with discussion. They thrive on trying to justify their answers, trying to prove to me why their answer is right, especially orally, and now we're trying to kind of translate that and make sure it goes onto the paper as well. So I am constantly changing my groups within my all-block class depending on, I might look at some MAP data or the M-class data and say, ooh, this child's really struggling with vocabulary and context clues. They can do everything else, but that's a struggle, or this group might be struggling with the main idea. So I really do try to look at, what skills in particular that they need more help with. And then that group might not get the rigor I've planned for the other groups on that same topic. Third grade team, we really dive into our MAP data and our in-class data to really look at the groups within our groups in our all-block classes, and we really let it drive how we're going to differentiate, how we're going to take the all-block lessons for the week, because it's days 1 through 4, and individualize it for either a small group in your class or within the third grade team. And our team works very collaboratively in order to get that done and to make sure that everyone's needs are met. They did some of this in second grade, so the follow-through is amazing. We're seeing it each year. It's getting easier and better, and they know the expectations. They know the curriculum because it's all, very similarly structured, and that really helps with making sure that they understand what the expectations are and how to follow through with it. I think focusing on all those key components and making sure it's done with fidelity and challenge, and then review if somebody needs it or a small group needs it, will really help with their end of the year progress.